Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Andrew and I wanted to shoot this video to make this page as simple and easy as possible to use. And so right off the bat, you're gonna see all of our retreats right below with everything that's included in the offering, and as well as the pricing and the dates that are available. And right to either my left or my right, depending on how this video is oriented, you're gonna see a form to fill out. And this is basically if you'd like to speak with us and get more information about the retreats before you actually book a retreat for yourself. Or if you'd like to just go ahead and book, we have the book now buttons below with each of the individual retreats. And so you can sign up, click on your date, put down your deposit and get everything started for yourself. And then we'll reach out to you within 24 hours to go over all the onboarding information, to give you the preparation course for the retreat, to give you all the steps of what you need to do as far as booking flights and transportation, and also all the medical stuff that we need to go over before you come down. And so either way is totally fine. It's up to your preference whether you want to fill out the form, talk with us first. We'll reach out to you by text or phone. You might have a chance of speaking with me if you do that. And then if you want to just go ahead and book, we are going to see your booking, reach out to you within 24 hours, and then you'll speak to one of our team or myself, and we'll be able to go over all the onboarding stuff and give you the course, get you guys prepared, and really excited about going through this retreat experience. And so either way is totally fine. And as far as the 3 retreats, just to chunk them down, they range from $4,997 up to $14,997, depending on the types of experiences you want to have and how long you have to spend down here. And I'll say this right up front, every single retreat has the same amount of treatments when it comes to the medicine and has the same outcome. If you watch the testimonials on the other side, on one of the other pages, you're going to see that all those incredible results, about half of them went to the 4-day retreat, and about other half went to the different 8-day retreats or the different week-long retreats. And so both of them, you're going to get the same result. The key differentiator is how much time you want to spend down here and what's going to make the most sense for your budget. And so those are the really determining factors. If you go to the 4-day, if you go to the week-long, you're going to have an incredible experience and you're going to have a profound result. And they all include the aftercare. They all include the controlled setting, the medical staff, everything included with the massages, the private chef. Everything's all inclusive in all of our retreats, from pickup to drop off, from PVR, from the airport. And so we take care of you. I call it like from bumper to bumper, okay? So everything's taken care of during the entire retreat experience. And so if you guys have any more questions, you can either book a call to the left or the right, or you can just go ahead and sign up, and then I'll or one of my team members is going to reach out to you and follow up and go over all the onboarding stuff that you need to know in order to get prepared for your retreat experience. And looking forward to meeting you guys soon. Looking forward to speaking to you guys soon. And so happy you're on for this amazing transformational experience. Take care.